Friends, this is Caesar from PS Tutelar. Let me show you how to place logo on anything. I will show you 3 different techniques. There is chips bag with logo. Here is before and after. Then there is a box with logo. Look before and after. And an image of model with logo. Here is before and after. So, let's get started. First, we will add logo on plastic bag. Click on this icon to unlock layer. Then go to select and click on subject. It will select subject that is logo. Create a mask on it. It will make transparent background. Drag this logo and drop on plastic bag. Press Ctrl+T to open transform controls. Press Alt and hold, then adjust on bag and press enter. Active background layer. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Press Ctrl plus close bracket key to move this layer at top of layers. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus U to desaturate it. Press Alt and hold and move mouse on layer. You can see arrow symbol. Click to clip this layer. So effects will apply only the layer below. Change blend mode to linear light. Reduce fill opacity to 50%. Logo has blended with plastic bag. So, here is before then after. Let's move to next technique. There is image of model and a logo. Click on this icon to unlock layer. We will select and copy this logo later. Come back to image of model. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Press Ctrl+A to select all. Then press Ctrl+C to copy it. Go to File and click on New. And create a new document. Press Ctrl+V to paste image of model. Go to File and click on Save. Save it as PSD file on your computer. Name it whatever you like, then press Save. We don't need this document anymore, so close it. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Now come to logo. Press Ctrl+A to select all. Then press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then active image of model. And press Ctrl+V to paste logo. We will give realistic look to logo on shirt. Go to filter. Distort, then click on displace. A window will pop up. Set value 15 for horizontal scale. And same 15 for vertical scale. Check stretch to fit in displacement map. Check repeat edges pixels in undefined areas. Finally press OK. It will ask PSD file we saved earlier. Select that PSD file and click open. It will change shape of logo. Logo has same wrinkles as shirt of model. Change blend mode to multiply. Adjust logo on shirt. You can see text has same wrinkles as shirt. So we have blended logo on shirt. Look at before then after. Let's move to third final technique. We have a logo and a box. We will create vanishing point on box later. First we need to select logo. Create selection of logo. Then go to edit and click on copy merge. But don't forget to unlock layer. Then go to edit and click on copy merge. Come back to image of box. Create blank layer. Go to filter then click on vanishing point. We can define area that we want for our perspective. Yellow or red lines mean that Photoshop doesn't accept the plane you're tracing. Try moving corner points until you get it right. Blue lines mean it is acceptable. Press Ctrl and hold then drag it to other side of box. Adjust it on the box by dragging from corners. When you satisfy with adjustment then press Ctrl plus V. It will paste logo on box we copied earlier. Press Ctrl plus T to transform and scale down. Then adjust logo on box. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Again press Ctrl plus V to paste another version of logo. Press Ctrl plus T to transform and scale down. Place logo on other side of box. Finally click OK. Here is logo placed on box. Change blend mode from normal to multiply. Multiply mode multiplies the colors, so it will hide white color of logo. Here is image before then after. We blended logo on box. I hope you like these 3 techniques. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.